Hey y'all, welcome back to the box. I'm Jamie Deen here at the Chicken Box, and today I'm going to show you a recipe that my mom made forever and ever when we first started doing the bag lady. And it's our French cream that we have for our fresh fruit. We have a recipe that you have to cook, and this one is a little bit more, it's more time friendly. You don't have to cook this one. It's just some mixing that you have to do. The first thing I did, and this is a huge difference, make your own fresh whipped cream at home. This is powdered sugar. This is granulated sugar with whipping cream. But this French cream, you don't have to cook. You just have to whip up a few things. And what we're going to start with is heavy cream. Now, if you do your own heavy cream, you can come through back. If you do your own heavy cream at the house with some cream and some sugar, make sure that your bowl is very cold. You whip it till you get these soft peaks, and then you have homemade whipped cream. It can make store-bought apple pie taste homemade. It is such a good tool for y'all to use, and just a dollop on any of your desserts in the house make a big difference. The next step is I've softened this cream cheese and we have some powdered sugar. I'm going to beat this together. I want to blend these together. I wish I had a bigger bowl. I don't know if this one's big enough. I'm going to just finish this with my hand. There's too much surface area in here. So my cream cheese and my powdered sugar are now blended together. Now I'm going to take our cream that we fresh whipped. I'm going to fold all of this together. Now, I learned the hard way whipping cream from my mom one time. I said, oh, if I just keep whipping it a little bit more, it'll be more and more beautiful. And I realized that you can whip it up and then you can whip it down. You can overbeat it and it'll come back to liquid. So I don't want to do too much of this here. And that's just about it. But we have a couple of ingredients that we're going to add. A little lemon zest. I love lemon zest on so many things. If always, and I say it every time, it tastes like some sunshine in your food. Just a little bit of zest in here gives it a brightness and just a fresh flavor that is so good. And I need one more ingredient here. I'm going to take a little bit of pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is another wonderful flavor. I want to be careful with this. I do not want too much. I don't want this to be liquid. I really want it to hold this creamy shape. Very carefully how I fold this. Put it back in a bowl. Fits it a little bit better, and we'll see how we're doing. The lighting is tough here in the chicken box. I'm sorry, Teresa.
It's okay.
I'm back here in this hole. Now let's see. I've got some fruit salads that I fixed up here available at the chicken box. Let's try with the other pineapple. What about?
Good.
Want that one? You don't like cream sauce?
Yeah.
It's your picky, girl. This is delicious, y'all. Really, really good. Now, what we used to do is we put 2-ounce cup of this in with our fruit salad. We would do it elevates everything. It would be so good on so many different things. But today, this is for fruit. That's our fresh, no-cook French cream, y'all. That's Joe. Hey, Joe. How you doing? Over here, trying this French cream, Joe. Okay. That's Joe. That's Jelly Roll. And I'm Jamie Deen here at the Chicken Box. And I'll see y'all around the kitchen. Thanks. This is good, John. Come try it.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.